we'll guide you through how to add glow to objects Unity. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open your Unity project and waiting for the Unity editor to load completely. Navigate to the top menu bar and click Window. From the drop-down menu, select Package Management, then click Package Manager to open the Package Manager window. Change the package source or scope to Unity Registry. Locate Universal Render Pipeline, URP, from the list of available packages and click the Install button. Wait for the installation process to finish completely before continuing. Return to the main Unity workspace after the package is installed. In the project window, right-click an empty area, create a new folder, and name it something like Game. Open the newly created folder, right-click inside it, select Create, navigate to Rendering, and choose URP Asset with Universal Renderer to generate the required pipeline assets. Next, go to the top menu and click Edit. Then select Project Settings from the drop-down menu. Choose the Graphics category from the left panel and drag the newly created URP asset into the default Render Pipeline settings slot. Click Proceed if Unity displays a confirmation message. If the materials in your scene turn pink, click Edit again, navigate to Rendering, and select Convert All Built-in Materials to Current SRP. Click Proceed to complete the material conversion. In the Hierarchy window, right-click and create a global volume object. Rename the new object to Post-Processing. Select the Post-Processing object and view its settings in the Inspector window. Click New next to the Profile field to create a new post-processing profile. Click Add Override, search for Bloom, add the Bloom override, and enable all required settings. Set the bloom intensity to a low value such as 1. Select the main camera object from the Hierarchy window. In the Inspector, locate the camera rendering settings and enable the post-processing option for the camera. Return to the post-processing object and gradually increase the bloom intensity. Adjust the bloom settings until the desired glow effect becomes visible. If you want a different glow color, modify the bloom color settings.